Top lawyer Thabani Mpofu recounts sleepless nights, unpaid legal battles, and dramatic court victories before revealing the heartbreak of watching MPs he helped save back what he calls an indecency. Sarapina Bashkobudani Kopangwa na Chinzi. Chamisa's lawyer breaks silence. Thabani Mpofu says Triple C sacrifices ended in betrayal. Everybody subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Thabani Mpofu Chiti. I fought for them. Now they've betrayed everything. Leading constitutional lawyer Thabani Mpofu has delivered an emotional account of his role in rescuing the opposition's 2023 election campaign, revealing he worked without pay, spent nights battling legal crisis, and helped save 12 parliamentary candidates from disqualification, only to be left devastated by their later actions. Mpofu says his journey began on nomination court day when NnelsoncHamisa, accompanied by Tenabiti, personally asked him to lead the opposition's legal team despite having no money to offer. Within hours, he was thrown into chaos after proportional representation nominations were rejected, and later faced another emergency involving 12 parliamentarian candidates in Bulawayo. Working through the night with fellow lawyers, he says, the team eventually overturned the legal obstacles, paving the way for the candidates to contest and ultimately win their seats. The senior advocate says the sacrifices came at enormous personal cost, including sleepless nights, self-funded travel, and working throughout a family trip to England to prepare urgent appeals and legal papers. But the victories, he says, have now been overshadowed by profound disappointment after watching some of the very politicians he fought to defend support a measure he believes betrayed the democratic principles for which he sacrificed so much. I asked for nothing in return, Mpofu wrote, but today my heart is broken. Ending his deeply personal reflection, the lawyer said the events left him questioning years of sacrifice before concluding a painful admission. It is my turn to feel the pain. Doma developments at Anubla Pangwene Thabani Mpofu is in deep pain after my legislators he fought for was betrayal at the end. Kwenye comment section videos of ngura enyi mutu kulipa mtsoro pichitu kwechi. Usana subscribe or like kwa jeno on the bell icon.